Hello friends, on this video how you can create slow motion video on infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here you have to move on camera. After you tap on camera, from here you are going to find many features on the camera. Okay, but you just slide on the down features. You have to slide on the left side, and here you are going to find this option slow motion. So tap on slow motion here. Then after that, let's record some videos. Okay, so here I'm just going to record. Here is the record icon. Then after that, here let's watch the recorder. Okay, how this slow motion video capture. So friends, here is the slow motion video and it's record very smoothly. Okay, so you can record easily like this slow motion video if you want to record this slow motion video. Okay friends, look, it's very smooth. Okay, so friends, hope you understand how you can record slow motion video on your mobile phone. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.